Hi students, good morning. Hope all of you are fine. And today we are going to have a class on letter writing. We are going to write a letter, not a class on letter writing, we are going to write a letter. Please take down the topic as I dictate. It's here on the board, still I dictate it so that it's easy for you. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern on the price rise causing inconvenience to the common man. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper expressing your concern on the price rise causing inconvenience to common man. Now, it is a reality to these days because of the petrol price hike. Okay, prices of every commodities have gone up. Okay, before we get into that, let's look at this letter a little more closely about the format. This is a letter to the editor. That means it is a formal letter, an official letter. And what is the format of an official letter? First you have to write the sender's address in 3 lines. The sender's address, every line end, the first 2 lines end you have to put a comma and the last line full stop. Leave 1 line space and then the next line write date, like today's date 17th April 2021. Before the year a comma, after the year a full stop. That is what is the punctuation there. Then you leave a space, go to the next line, write the receiver's address. So here the editor, the Telegraph or the Times of India or the Hindu or the Hindustan Times, whatever name of the paper you want to write on the second line, and place of the office where, like Ranchi or something, you can write. Here also don't forget to write the first letters of the words on the first line, the T, editor E. Okay, next line, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Hindustan Times. First letter of each word should be capital letter and place. And see that first line, second line end with a comma and last line end with a full stop. Now leave a line, again come to the next line where you write dear sir. Dear sir, D and S capital letter, at the end put a comma. Earlier when we write a letter to the editor, we had a habit of writing a title or subject. Now that is no more there. It has become like any other letter, so we don't need to really get into the topic. Now what is asked here is your concern over the price rise. So you have to say, sir, I am writing this letter actually to you because I am so badly disturbed with the rising prices. I know government has increased the prices of petrol and diesel quite a bit. As a result, the transporting charges of goods have become very high, and so automatically the prices are also increasing or have already increased. Now, because of this, common ordinary earning people, okay, especially the middle class family who have a fixed income of every month's earning, the salary, which has not gone up, no consideration has been given for that. So their income is the same, but the expenditure, the cost, the spending has gone up very badly because of the rise in the prices. So we are concerned about that. And sir, we are writing this letter to you so that you will publish this issue of common man, as it has been raised by me as well as many other people like me, and he publishes the paper, and the concerned authorities, when they happen to see this, would try to understand our difficulties and try to bring down prices, bring a sort of consolation to the common man. Okay, it is only the government can do something, and your action means your publication of this issue in your newspaper will take a great deal of action in towards that level, towards that line, towards that expectation. Thanking you, yours so and so. Now, yours sincerely, Y capital letter, after sincerely there is a comma. Fine? And that's how it has to be written. Now, you should understand, when we say a letter to the editor, they are not the direct authority who can take decision. So you will have to always write that if you publish it in your esteemed, well-known, famous newspaper, a lot of people, even people who are supposed to take action on this issue, would come through or go through it and will be able to take an action. The newspaper editor cannot bring down the prices of the commodities. We are writing it to him to publish it in the paper. That aspect of the letter you should always keep in mind. Now, when you write a letter to the police inspector regarding theft, when you write the electricity department regarding the irregular supply of electricity, when you write the municipal corporation to clean the roads, it is they who are directly getting involved to take action on the issue, and they can do, and they can let you know about it. But newspaper, those people have no right to take any action, or they are not allowed to do it. Okay? Now, sometimes we read in the paper, reading about a rape case in the locality that they read in the newspaper. The judges have taken so much of cases, or the court has taken so much of case, or the police department has registered a so much of case. Why? When they came to know about it through the newspaper, though there were no complaints, though there was nobody to make a complaint, they themselves have gone into action to take some sort of steps against the people who have done the wrong. So that is the advantage of writing something to a newspaper. Okay? Now, you have been writing to the water authority regarding a broken water pipe in your locality. Water keeps on leaking, and many areas people do not have water. You have made many complaints, no response, no sign of any kind of repair work there. So now you are making it to publish in the newspaper. You are writing to the newspaper, requesting them to publish in the newspaper. What you are aiming at is that when through the newspaper, when the authorities come to know that they have even published it in the newspaper, now many people will come to know. So far it was only you and the department. Now a lot of people will come. So it's going to be a shame on them. People are going to ask them why they have not taken action. So fearing that, they would try to take an action on an issue. This is the advantage of writing about a complaint to the newspaper. Remember, newspaper editor or the authority or the owner of the newspaper is not a competent authority to take action on your complaint. They cannot do it. You are, through the help or with the help of the newspaper, is trying to bring it to the knowledge of the authorities, as well as to make them know that a lot of people are aware of it, so that they would take an action. Is that clear? This is how this letter has to be written. So please do that. Write this letter as I have explained it to you. Is it okay? Fine. Thank you.